In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the turn on iMessage and FaceTime pop-up on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max. If you've been dealing with this pesky issue, then stick around as we'll walk through some simple solutions together. First, let's ensure that you're connected to the internet. Both iMessage and FaceTime require an internet connection to activate successfully. So go ahead and check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. It's a quick and easy way to eliminate one potential cause of the problem. Next, let's try toggling iMessage and FaceTime off and on. This can often refresh their activation status and resolve any small glitches. To do this, navigate to your Settings app, then select Apps and find Messages for iMessage. Once there, switch it off, give it a moment, about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. For FaceTime, the process is quite similar. Head back into Settings, go to Apps and select FaceTime. Again, toggle it off, wait a few seconds and switch it back on. Now let's verify that your date and time settings are correct. If these aren't accurate, they can interfere with the functionality of services like iMessage and FaceTime. Open your settings and head to General, then tap on Date and Time. Here, ensure that Set Automatically is switched on. This setting allows your iPhone to synchronize with the network time, keeping everything up to date and reducing the potential for issues related to mismatched timing. Moving on, it's crucial to keep your device's operating system updated. Apple regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve performance, which can be critical for apps like iMessage and FaceTime. To check for updates, navigate to Settings, select General, and then tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Not only can this fix your current issue, but it can also prevent future ones. If you followed the previous steps and still encounter the pop-up issue, there's one last resort to try: resetting your network settings. Note that this action will erase all current saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so be sure to have those handy. To reset, go back to Settings, tap on General and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, select Reset, then Reset Network Settings. After resetting, you might need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords, but this step could be the trick to finally resolving your issue. By following these guidelines, you should be well on your way to eliminating that annoying turn on iMessage and FaceTime pop-up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If it solved your issue, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider sharing this video with anyone else dealing with the same problem.